Hey guys, so today's video is something I literally have been wanting to do for so long. I redid my entire bedroom. I'm just going to take you guys through the journey, and if you guys want a room tour where I actually show you like things that are in my drawers and whatever, and like a closet transformation, let me know. So I knew I wanted to do my room with white furniture because my old room, I grew out of it. I was with that furniture in high school. I needed to upgrade to a queen bed. It was just time, and I hated the darkness that was in my room. The sunlight hits here in the mornings, then in the afternoon it progressively gets darker and darker. I ended up getting a Lowell mattress maybe like a year ago or something, so I had to reach out to the company again, and I was like, hey, so I love your mattress so much, I'm doing a room transformation. Like, Lowell was kind enough to send the mattress. This video is not sponsored, but they were kind enough to send pillows and the mattress, which, like, thank you so much, Lowell. I'm like obsessed with them. So if you're looking for a mattress, highly recommend Lowell. I've slept on it for a year now at least. So in order to redo my room, I knew I needed to figure out the measurements of everything. I was pretty set on getting my furniture off of like Wayfair or something, but then the set that I wanted got sold out. So then I was like, you know what, whatever, IKEA. I figured out what bed I wanted, the dressers, how I wanted them to fit in my room, and I measured everything. I went into IKEA with a plan. I brought my boyfriend, and my boyfriend brought his best friend, and his best friend brought his car, which was so handy because it turns out I underestimated how many boxes would be needed because the bed itself came with 4 boxes, and it was just so overwhelming, and it all did not fit into one car. So bless their souls for coming and helping me carry. I was also injured and I couldn't use my hand. It was a mess. And if you want to see the vlog of IKEA, of like follow me around IKEA, I'll make sure to link it down below. But once I got the furniture and that was all in the garage, I was basically ready to go. I started with my desk, which had a lot of stuff, and doing this entire process, I realized how much clutter I actually have, and I feel like I completely cleansed the space. I got rid of a lot of stuff. There's like so many boxes and bags of donations, which I'm so happy about. I wanted to be a professional organizer at one point in my life. When I was a kid, I would go over to people's houses and I would organize the shoes that all the guests brought in. Luckily, I grew out of that phase, so if you invite me over to your house, I won't organize your shoes. I'm taking off the wall decor, which the wall decor, actually, fun fact, if you guys have those lights on, make sure you're careful with it, because I actually found out that I had like little black dots all over, which it looked like smoke on the walls. So I was like really concerned, really worried, and I ended up washing them off. So new chore, wash your walls. But I do want to sell my bed, my desk, my dresser, and there is a nightstand that goes with that set. And like, it's good furniture. I grew out of it, but like maybe somebody else would want it. So I'm gonna put it on Craigslist. Hopefully somebody wants to buy it. Oh my gosh, this is all stressing me out so much. So far, we've built that dresser, and then I built and kind of decorated this sort of, but it's 4 in the morning and I'm going to bed. I needed my phone charger. So I sat there building this freaking bed, and you guys, I had to drink wine to do it because this bed was so annoying, especially putting on the, I don't know what it's called, the headrest part or whatever. It was such a mess, and like it said in the instructions, this is not a one-person job. I couldn't do it myself. And the next day, My dad helped me finish my bed because the mattress had come, and we went ahead and got the bed set up, which it wasn't that hard. It's just that it was like a lot of little steps. So I built the frame. It was the part that it lifts, like the bed actually lifts, like so the mattress will go up and like you have all this storage underneath the bed, which is really cool. But again, like, it's a process. So once the mattress came, it was like super easy. It came in a box and the pillows were in a separate box. I just brought it into my room, unpackaged it. It was rolled up already in like a plastic thing. So I did need my dad's help to get the mattress out of the box, but we lifted it up, put it on the bed, and it didn't, like, once you start cutting the plastic off, you'll see that it kind of starts to like expand and become an actual mattress, because like you have a hard time comprehending how the heck they managed to fit a mattress in a box, but they do. It's like amazing. Cut it up and it like ended up expanding, which is really cool that I caught it on camera. What's really awesome with Lol is they give you a 100-night trial. So if you hate it, you can literally tell them and they will give you your money back. It's free shipping and free returns, which the bed itself is like super comfortable. My sister literally was obsessed with it. Once she laid down, she like couldn't help herself. But it's like super soft but also super firm. And when I switched to a Lol from my previous mattress, I stopped having back pain. My dad and I put on this mirror, which is like a circle mirror. I got this off of Amazon. I wasn't sure if I wanted to go with like the silver gray one or the black, but I'm glad I went with the silver. I think it like fits better with the room. And then we put up the mirror over by the door. It's called the Hovet mirror, and basically every Instagrammer has it. And then I put on the comforter set, and obviously my parents had to come in and were like, are you sure you want a white comforter? Like, you're gonna spill something on it. Decided to actually use the Calyx shelf that I ended up buying for my closet there instead, and I like it so much. I put the drawer inserts, it's amazing. It just ends up adding a lot of storage but still look like kind of like counter space. And obviously my cat was a big help in the entire process of making sure to sit and try to explore everything, especially the fact that the bed lifted. Now once all that was done, the only thing that was basically left was decorating. So I actually didn't really buy much decoration. I just went into my office and found things that was kind of like lying around, and I used things that are kind of your daily things like perfumes and jewelry as decor. I had some fake plants. I did buy a few things like some bins and such to make the process just a little bit easier. But overall, I'm really happy with how the room turned out, and I think that you guys will like it too. So let me know what your favorite part of the room is, and if you want an overall room tour, let me know because I'd love to do one for you. I think that my favorite part is definitely the bed. I got a new blanket for it, used a few old blankets that I had lying around, and I can't wait for my wall art to come in. I got that, and it's gonna be amazing once that's up. And then I couldn't decide what curtain to get. I still have the like teal turquoise curtains up in here, but like I don't know if that's like the vibe I'm going for. I was thinking about going more like white, but then I feel like it would be too white in here. So if you guys see any curtains somewhere that you like really like and think are cool, let me know. But yeah, for now, I'm really happy with the room. It's like inspiring me to make more videos. I feel more comfortable filming in here, and I've noticed that I keep my room a lot cleaner because everything has a home. And once it has a home, it's like you always make sure to put everything back where it belongs. I wanted to give you guys a finished overview of the room because I kind of didn't do that in the video. But I changed the decorations up a little bit since you guys last saw. I also got some paintings, which you'll see in an upcoming vlog. finished up the bed, did a little bit of redecorations over here on the shelves. Still haven't finished up the curtains. We are going to switch from that color to that more neutral white shade. But yeah, I am so much in love with this room. Hopefully you guys like it. I definitely did change up the decorations because I wasn't super happy with it, so a lot more happy with these flowers now. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you enjoyed this room transformation. Let me know if you have any questions, if there's something that I didn't answer. That's basically the process. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Lowell for sending me the mattress again. You guys are super sweet. And if you are looking for a mattress, highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Like, literally, Lowell didn't pay me a dime for this video. This is just my favorite mattress and I stand behind it. Like, I am so happy that I have a Lowell because this will come with me once I move out of this house. This will continue with me for a long time. Don't forget to give this video a giant thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed it because I went through a hell of a roller coaster, okay? Emotionally and physically, just trying to get all this together. But now that it's done, I am so ready for you guys. This new year is gonna be amazing and I hope you are as ready as I am. This channel is going to just kapow at you, okay? Get ready to be kapowed, okay? Kapow, 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 kapow. Okay, I love you guys. I'll see you later. And if you're still bored and you need something to, you know, look at, there is the IKEA, the Follow Me Around IKEA video. That one's fun. It's a great video. There's more than just IKEA in there in case you don't really care about IKEA. And then there's like another video. I did like a clothing haul. You can look at that. I tried my best to not spend that much money and I failed. I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye!